you have this one
Mr.
in
Balloon.
blue, don't
No,
you?
you
do
don't.
not have, okay.
We have the one in a wedding dress. We have
The
that on our
wedding
dresser,
dress,
yeah.
okay, yeah, we love that one.
No, Daddy, just.
Oh my
That's
goodness,
good.
look at my little hair.
Yeah, that's that grandma.
Look at your hair, dear.
I have no hair.
That's me, I was a little boy.
You're so cute.
Baby boy. He's
I
wearing
like a
his
We
suit.
dressed differently back then.
He's wearing his special suit.
Look at Sue, Sue's got the little bunny things behind her head.
Grandpa's
Look, look, I look like a
graduation
boy.
from high school.
Oh, look at that.
I look like a boy.
And then I had these two pictures we made
Honey.
for you, they were taken from
Honey.
slides.
Look,
That's Uncle
Mr.
Sonny when he
Balloon.
graduated.
Oh, I know,
And
this
one
is
for you and
the
one
way
for
I
Phil.
planned it.
Oh.
That way I just,
But I
that's the
should put it
bottom
on
of
the
it.
back. I don't
And
want
there's
that.
mommy and there's grandma.
I look like a boy.
Oh,
That's me, the boy.
look. That's grandma. That's
I
grandma.
look like a boy.
That's Aunt Franny,
I
and
had
that's
real
Pop
short
Pop
hair,
Sonny.
Mom.
Right?
Everybody treated me nice.
Right? That's you and Pop Pop Sonny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
I told you.
Yeah. And that's grandma.
Married.
That's grandma.
Barry
That's
had
grandma.
that made from.
Your
You
great
and
grandma.
Dad look so good.
Yeah.
It's a nice
Yeah.
picture of
When
you.
I was little.
And that's Pop Pop Sonny when he was probably what?
17.
17.
She
Yeah,
just
maybe.
Look
graduated
how
high
handsome
school.
you are. You're such a cute
You used to have red hair.
Yeah.
I don't remember that one.
That's what
Mom,
it used
see,
to
she
be.
We all
And now it's so white. But still, this is for you. There's one, Barry had them made from slides, so one for you and.
that's for you.
Man, he's
And you can put
working
it.
in the
Yeah.
garden.
Thank
Oh,
He's fixing a basin
Mom, I'm
for
just gonna
his.
take
Is that
this
the
so
one
you
that
don't
Andrew
trip.
built? How come he didn't build a garden? Or how
There
come
we
he
go.
didn't
That's
build a
why I've
garden?
never seen these pictures.
And Phil says he's gonna.
How old was Grandpa here?
Alright,
Oh, no, no.
Let's see, I got-
See, I think I have the date.
Here, your name?
yeah,
never
July
seen one
7th,
This is his.
Your name's right here.
Yeah.
oh, it sure
Oh,
is.
okay.
His Uncle Steve and Dad.
And he's working in the garden with a tie on. Look at that. Wow. People always dressed up, didn't they?
But then he had his overalls to keep him clean.
People enjoyed their gardens back then. I remember my grandma; she always had something.
Wow, what a
growing.
great picture.
Yeah.
I look like a boy.
Did you see this picture? I think.
What is it?
Yeah, I look like a boy. Okay. That's cute. That's cute with the
Oh yeah, that is a good one.
with Sue's bunny ears.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This is from June 1st of
So
1955.
55.
Yeah, so it's a
Oh,
long
look how
time ago.
cute.
I'm just trying to find Grandma's picture. She wanted to show you. What is this? It's
Oh, honey, 1958 high school.
Uh-huh.
yeah, that was the commencement. We thought you'd like to have it, you know.
What was that one? dear?
This is the
Fran,
one.
you're so cute.
Oh, thank you.
Honey, you look
What
so
happened?
cute.
Oh, thank
I know
you.
you
This
don't
is
like
the-
looking at pictures.
One of the family.
Pop-Up doesn't like looking at
I
pictures.
just wanted to get, Mama,
They're
I'm looking for
cute.
a book for you to give.